Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. So today I have a few parts that I need to build so I can get them shipped off. But first things first, I need to clean up this mess just so I have a good workspace. And then we'll be on to building some parts. But I figured I'd show you guys some of the steps that go into making the Firewall filler panel kits that I'm doing. You know, from cutting them out to bead rolling them and getting them out the door. So, like I said, first things first, let's get this mess picked up. So I've got the pieces mostly cut out. I still have to go in and fine tune them a little bit. But as you can see, I've got my 3 separate pieces now. So I'll take them over, fine tune those inside edges and these outside radiuses. And then we will take it over to the bead roller and get this done. So. Okay, so everything is cut out and ready to be bead rolled. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. I still have to do a little fine tuning on the outsides, but that kind of comes with the fit and finish. So, but I'll show you guys what I got going on here. So as you can see, when I was laying out the patterns, I put in the marks where the bead rolls are going to go. So what we're going to do now is we'll hook up the bead roller and get this all rolled out. that all the bead roll work is done, I can do the final fit and finish, get everything cleaned up, looking really, really respectable, and then I'll package it up and get it ready to get out the door. So let me show you guys real quick. So panels all bead rolled. Now it's time to just get them all cleaned up, finished. I'm gonna sand them, make them look real nice, and then get them packaged up. I'd call that a wrap. So what I did is I went through, cleaned all the edges up, and then sanded it with 80 grit, got it, you know, nice and looking right. Then I hit it with a red scuff pad and just really got it looking good. Then I wiped it down with some lacquer thinner. You'll see some wipe streaks and stuff like that, but it's not a big deal. It's a solvent. So after the guy installs these, I'm sure he'll have it blasted or cleaned or do something before he paints it. But I'll give you guys a quick look. So everything's all finished up, looking nice. Now I'm gonna take it in, get it packaged up, and get it in the mail. So I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, leave a comment if you guys want to. But I really appreciate you guys' support, and look forward to continuing doing these. So I guess we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.